Hello, welcome back to another live stream, everybody. How's it going? This is episode 33 of becoming a musician or building electronics, Ratatouille, DIY kit or whatever. I don't know what we're doing anymore. But it's fun. We're on the grind. Hello, Orhun. How's it going, man? Long time no see, I feel like. How's everything? Man. I am just so fucking tired. We haven't even started, man. I feel like I need a break for at least like two weeks after this conference and after I give this talk about this project. But we ain't stopping, bro. We ain't stopping. We just keep pushing. You know what I'm saying? We got the special water. Special. Not sponsored. Still not sponsored, man. Can you believe that? Still not sponsored. I've been drinking this for how many streams now? I don't know. Need sponsorship. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. The real ones know about this. The real ones know about this, okay? So guys, what are we doing today before I fucking fall asleep? Let's have a look. So I updated the hardware docs. It's right here. I'm pretty happy with it. It's super clear, I think. We have everything in one place, all the instructions about how to make this thing happen, all the info about the case, and everything is here. So there you go, we got the hardware. By the way, let me just send this link to the chat, so if you want to check it out, go for it. Firmware, also we got a little firmware docs here, just for basic stuff, setting up the toolchain and running and so on. Other than that, I need to update this main readme, add some docs to here, and that should be enough, I believe. So core. Okay, so today, like you can see in the title, we're mostly gonna work on, I believe, the fretboard. What does the title say actually? Improving the fretboard mode to practice guitar. Okay, that's what we're doing apparently. I don't remember typing that actually, but that's the title, so we're doing that. And so right now we have the random mode, which gives you like random notes to play, and if you hit the correct note, it just like goes to the next one, and then you kind of like follow whatever you see on the fretboard and so on. And we generate random notes using this function. So frets start, and actually wait, range bounds. Can I do this maybe? I'm trying to like refactor it. Seems like we could maybe refactor it a bit. Kimse olmadan yazıyorum, nasıl başladın abi gitar? So let me just keep this English for our international audience. He asks how I got started with the guitar. That's a good story to tell actually. I have a blog post about not about that, but I have a blog post about how I got into this project. But in short, I have a friend who lives in Izmit. You know that city? Do you know that place? And we met in the military. Now look, this is a legendary story, all right? we met in the we met during the military service, and he's like into the guitar quite a bit. He listens to metal, and he has a good taste of music, and he likes to make music with the guitar usually. Like he plays, and he's just chilling. He's like a musical guy. He has a musical brain, you know. I mean, wow, I didn't know that. That's what a coincidence. So he has a musical brain, right? And he can like he knows the music theory and stuff like that. He listens to music and is like thinking in like, you know, musical way. He's like, hey, this is like scale that, and there's you know, this note, and then there's this blues note in this shit, or some shit like that. So I visited him in Izmit. Just went there to visit him, you know, just to chill, because we've been kind of planning to make music for a while. And he obviously has multiple guitars. And while I was there, I was like, you know, just trying out the guitars. I have played guitar for at least 4 years in the past, but that was not like electric guitar. It was like classical. And yeah, I just tried out the electric guitar, and I was like, oh shit, this is cool. And you know, my past experience started to come back to me, and I was like, okay, maybe I should really get a guitar at this point and just you know, get back to it. So I bought this guitar after I come back from there, and I was like, okay, shit, now I have this guitar, but I know how to play. I know how to play. Like, I can learn, right? I can just take a look at stuff and just practice and learn. But this is kind of boring. So how about I just make this into a project? You know what I'm saying? So I just like did that, basically. Now the problem is I am working on this project, and I kind of like forgot to practice guitar. So, you know, I don't know, like, if I spend wait, let me just change the music real quick, because I don't like this. So I spent like apparently like 70 recorded hours on this project. If I spend that time practicing guitar, maybe I would be maybe now I would be a rock star or some shit, bro. Probably not, but whatever. It's fun. I like it. Not complaining, don't get me wrong, but like it's a bit like ironic that I started this to learn the guitar, and then I didn't learn much. Okay, whatever, you get what I mean. Alright, so this doesn't have an into implementation, range inclusive. So what's the difference between range inclusive and range bounds, bro? I can't play, but I have interest about guitars. Interesting. So maybe you can just you can be a part of this project somehow. Okay, whatever. I was thinking like this has a bug or something, because string index. What is standard tuning actually? So start and end. Any idea how this Twitter thing works? It's actually not that complicated. I am thinking of putting a short description of how this works in README, but if you're curious, I can explain it now. Okay, so we have the random mode, that's how it works. And next modes that I want to implement here is maybe let's do let me find the set highlight. So I had some function to delete the ghost node, so I want to make that configurable here. So node remove ghost boolean and remove ghost. Okay, so I made that configurable because I'll need that for, oh wait, what? Remove ghost. Maybe this is not a good API. I'm not sure actually. This will require some changes here and there, probably. Set active node. You can just use this as a vector. Okay, added a parameter there. So what is failing? No, that's not important. UI is failing. Let's go to UI. Alright, it's gonna take a parameter. Actually, maybe that could be a part of the state. Now that I think of it. Yeah, let's make that a part of the state. Damn, I need to revert everything. Not everything. But these things, and then we're gonna go here and say something like, do we have access to state here? Yes, this is just a state. So self remove ghost. Validity. Okay, there you go. It's gonna be true as default. I'm just of this here. Alright. So what did I... Oh, I'm not. Just a little bit of boilerplate here. Just a little bit of boilerplate. Just a little bit of boilerplate. And then integration, this should be just the same. The core stuff could be the same. And now let's check. Okay, so we have a, okay, why this is complaining now? Alright, so we have a scale mode. The scale mode, let me have a look at the UI. Let me actually plug in the guitar too. Guys, by the way, I'm in the process of preparing my presentation for this, and I just realized there are so many things to talk about. There are literally so many things to talk about. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Like how I'm gonna just pick all the topics. I just realized okay, this is kind of bad. No, actually, okay, the knob for the, okay, let me find it. The knob for the scroll thing is reverse. So this is like, if I turn it right, it just like decrements. And you make the opposite. So if I scroll the other way around, it increments. Hopefully it will understand that. GPT-5 is really stupid, but okay, start fret. I think that's fine. Let me actually flash it and see for myself. Oh shit, my head just got insanely bigger for a second there. And there's one other thing that I tried to figure out today. I don't know if you guys remember, but sometimes this was flashing in 26 megahertz and sometimes it was flashing in 40 megahertz. I asked why in the ESP RS channel on Matrix, and some people pointed out that this is very strange, which I agreed on, and then I just now set this config option in SDK config defaults. It's just the crystal frequency, and hopefully it will be stable to 40 now. I'm hoping to flash it in 40 megahertz. Hopefully, let's see. Inshallah. Okay, there you go. 26 megahertz again. Why? Why, man? I don't get it. Like, that wasn't the issue then. That wasn't the issue. Can somebody clip this section of the live stream and just send it to ESP RS Matrix channel? Thank you. Appreciate it. Also, it's stuck. It is stuck. Man, It takes forever to flash these expressive hardware. You know what? They missed the chance on naming these ESP32 devices something like espresso or something, because you know they like to use ESP for some reason, so why not just espresso, dude? Did I just flash this in debug mode because it's very slow? Okay, yeah, I did that, but it's super slow. Yeah, that makes sense. So now let's see. Okay, now it's the correct order. Cool. Alright, so we got that out of the way. Let me just commit that. Use the opposite order for scroll the fretboard properly. They didn't want to be web developers. That's a good point, actually. Not gonna lie. My man Namco just spoke. Alright, so what the hell I was doing? I was basically so okay, let me think about the controls. We can actually brainstorm together. I'm out of mobile data for today. Dude, are you just leaving? You know, hard to be a student in Turkey, so good night. Oh man. Let me send you some mobile data so that you can watch the stream. Let me send it to you, man. Just give me your number or something. Give me your IBAN. Send it to me on Instagram, bro. Let me just fire you. Sorry, not fire. Let me just wire you 50 Turkish liras, man. You know what I'm saying? Got you. Don't worry about it. I'm joking. No, I'm not joking. I got you. Just send it to me. So yeah, I was brainstorming, right? When the mass production of Twitter starts, very soon, bro, very soon. Stay tuned. I got one kit already here. I got one kit, and also I have another one. So this is like, so 1, 2, 3. I have 3 now. Don't be over generous. Dude, you know that I'm so rich. No, not really. It's not that, but I gotta go. Okay, take care. So right now, you long press this button to switch to jack mode. So it's using the jack input, and then it's a bit weird for some reason. And then on the fretboard menu, you can press this to change the mode, and you can like use a knob to scroll the fretboard. So we have one knob here, and then this button here, again, it will, if you press it, it will change the menu, but I need another functionality to change the scale. So I'm thinking maybe long press, let me show you, maybe long press this button to change the scale. Yeah, let me do that actually. Long pressing the camera or the table are shaky as fuck. It's actually it's probably the other table because the camera is connected to the other table. But anyways, so let me use long press. Long press, does it make sense? I'll just use long press. All right. Switch fretboard mode, scale. Should I define those things in Note maybe? Or maybe scale. I have this Note RS module. Give me scale RS module for the most common scales for the guitar. Define an enum there. Using this note structure. Okay, let's see what it will come up with. It's gonna be really shitty probably, so I'm just gonna click get quick answer. It's pretty good actually, quite clean. It's quite clean, wow. Let's run the tests. Seems pretty good. Use RS test for parameterized testing and test everything. Just give me the tests, man, come on. There we go. Can use a name for these tests. I think it was this syntax. It's gonna take forever to just type everything out. Hopefully this was the correct syntax. Okay, good. It's fine. Also, let me implement FMT on this, FMT display. All right. So while we are in this, oh, I need to implement next as well. Current scale. Actually, I'm gonna change the order of the scales. I'm gonna just move the pentatonic to here. Don't ask me why, I just want to do that. Could the flashing getting stuck and frequency changing issues may be related to the cable? I am not sure. I mean, I don't even like do anything with the cable. I just like flash it once, it's 26. I flash it again without changing anything, it's just like 40. I don't know. But like, what do you mean? What could be the issue with the cable exactly? So the logic here is gonna be button, menu, and long press, and self tab, fretboard, and fretboard mode, scale. What a check, man. Then we're gonna just do self, current scale, next. There you go. Fretboard state. Remove ghost, false. And we're gonna set some ghost notes. Set ghost note. Oh, I need a new function. Set ghost. Okay. Back to here. Wait, why do we need a root node? C4. Why do we need a root node? If it determines the frequency sum we USB and the card reports differently, the sum of fluctuation is a random total. Checking issues for ESP flash. It could be actually, but I'm not sure. Oh, I need to set the root node then. So, okay, the long press won't work that way, but either way, we can just do C4 for now. Just see if it works. Let me just run this. Look, it's 26 here. Crystal frequency. Although I set the crystal frequency in the SDK default thing file. Anyways. So fail. If I go to random, it just like shows. Wait, what the fuck is this? Live scale. Wait, what am I doing here? I think I need to I'm just so confused. I need to do this in here, I think. It's a bit weird. Okay, A4 pentatonic. Just use A4. I'm not sure if this works. Because I saw like random notes, like it was a bit weird. Okay, so weird. I'm not sure this is working. It's like I'm just seeing. I don't see any notes on the upper string, like the sixth string or the first string on the the lowest, and I don't know. Where is scale RS? I'm not sure if this is what I want. I am setting A4 pentatonic major, but I don't see any notes highlighted on the E2 string. A4 is high. Yeah, I need to scale those visualizations based on okay. Why is it there's no option? What is pitch class exactly? Okay, I get it. What is semitone index? Wait, what? So I have these functions now. Give me another function that takes the frets, and does that. Why is it returning U8 and note? Just return quick note from this. Alright, great. So for tuning, I'm just gonna remove that standard tuning. What's the problem here? Isn't note clone or copy? Oh. Just fix it, man. If you know the fix, just fix it. Okay, you don't need to move it anyways. Now give me some test cases using RS test. Update the test cases based on this function. Make it cleaner. Where's the test cases? Wow, so many notes. If this fails, I don't know what to check, by the way. Like, this fails, I'm cooked. I've been wipe coding a lot. Hopefully it will not fail. Oh fuck. You're so cooked. Have you tried debugging with Cloud or Kimi or Q1 code now? Do you recommend them? Is the order changing? No. No, problem is your tests suck. It just removes the duplicates. Now just give me the hard-coded values, but the expected ones. Okay. Hopefully this will work. Okay, there you go. So let me flash this. Oh shit, wait. Actually, no. Fretboard notes. Okay, now this is correct. Can I just use a reference here? I guess so. Okay, that worked. Let's try to flash it. Oh man, this is scary. Main thread panicked. But now we get like 40 megahertz. Okay. Oh shit, now it's kind of all over the place. Alright, I'm gonna verify this with chat so you can see. 1 second. What was the root node again? Let's see. A4. Internal server error, what the hell? All right. So this is the result that I got, by the way. You said root node A4 does the high E string, 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's hear this. Now don't... doesn't matter. Just look at the fretboard. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so scale mode works, guys. That's kind of nice. And just set the root node though. So this long press thing does not work though. Current scale next. When do I actually generate random nodes? No, I think that's fine. Current root nodes. Set scale nodes. Okay, this is getting a bit cumbersome because I need some other enum. Fretboard edit mode, root node, scale, fretboard scroll. Not impl, man. Enum. so long press here will actually yeah. Oh man, so many stuff that change. Wait, I have another idea. Can I also handle double press here? If I can also handle double press, that would give me a lot of other things to configure, man. Okay, let me just take this back. Press type short, long, double. Press type. Sorry. Let me actually rename this. And we can just use it in here. Just adding some helper functions. His menu and short press, so menu and short press, just switch tab. So this is button is mode. short press. We'll change the fretboard mode. On the scale thing, button is mode. Button is long press. Let's double press, then +1 maybe. Need to update the main. Update accordingly to I dug deeper in his Pelashko dots. 2640 megahertz fluctuation is determined from the chip with some calculation. What does it do? Don't clip that. You already have a stereo ESP32C2 version. I have, what is it again? 32D. But I already have. It reads baud rate, some register from yours, and does some division. Give me the full changes now. No idea what is it. What is it exactly? So maybe it's about the serial console or whatever. Oh man, this is so fucking ugly. But I'm gonna just use it, I guess. I don't know what we're listening to right now, but I really like it. One thing is there's no 32D in the code. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why it thinks that. Maybe that's why it's struggling to decide what frequency this thing is using. Can you send a link? Not to the chat because it won't show up here, but maybe on Discord. Let me take a look. What is going on? Okay, there you go. Thank you, Nemco. My neck is killing me. I cannot even flash it now. Get the info for the chip and see how it sees it. Oh yeah, that was one command. One sec. They told me to check that today, but I forgot. One sec. Just checking matrix. Here's my message. Cargo ESP flash. ESP flash board info. Let me check the thing first. I'm not rendering the thing. Okay, wait. Board info. Am I gonna get the board info today? There you go, it's the same thing. Like, it says literally 26. I don't know what's going on. So the thing that I need to do now is that I need to render something. I need to render the fretboard mode and current scale and oh shit, so many things. Two lines. The third line from the top. The paragraph will be match self fretboard mode. So if it's like live mode, we won't show anything there. If it's scale, if it's random, also nothing. Song, nothing. If it's scale though, there's no name function. So something like this maybe. it's yellow. Maybe I can do something like would that actually work? I think you need to debug there. Debug, there's no other print function. Something like this. Okay, I'll check that. Thank you. Let's flash it again. Check. Major pentatonic A4. So long press does not do anything. Also, I forgot to paragraph new alignment center. Let me align this properly. Why is the press not working actually? Mode. Oh, it's menu, that's why. Menu. Menu, double press. Oh, okay, wait. Menu, double press. Okay, let's try this. Now it's 40. I don't get it. Yeah, that's my chip. It is 40 only. Yeah, it's supposed to be 40 only. Okay, blues. The double click does not work though. Did I just get scammed with this ESP32? Double press does not work. The flash utility has no support for it. What do you mean? I just flashed with 40. I don't get what's going on anymore. What is going on? Come on, ChatGPT. Double press do not work for some reason. I get short press instead. Yeah, finally learn the blues scale. Guys, at the end of the stream, or maybe after I figure out the button, maybe let me try to learn the blues scale using this.
You know the type of house music that goes like BaM. You know what I'm talking about? That's the kind of shit I'm hearing. That's that shit I need.
Okay, it changed some things.
That's that shit I need. That's that shit I need. That's that shit I need.
Now everything will be just double press.
That's that shit I need. That's that shit I need. You know what I'm talking about? That's that shit I need. That's that shit I need.
So now what do I have? I have the live mode, scale mode, random mode, and the last thing is this song, which will make it possible to load some songs onto this and just use them.
That's that shit I need. That's that shit I need.
No, the double press does not work at all.
That's that shit I need. That's that shit I need.
Okay, this is a bit bad. Damn it. Oh, it's just using timeout here. For some reason, random mode does not generate the notes sometimes. I don't know. It's a bit bad. Looks main site is down and reasoning behind this. What do you mean? Does this mean all the websites for the programming socks are also down? I don't know. Probably some people promoting their DDoS stuff again. Maybe Manjaro is attacking us, I don't know. Hopefully not. That would be bad. No, I don't. I'm not aware of any infrastructure change. I can read the messages on DevOps. Yeah, there are attacks right now. People are talking about it. Yep. They're attacking us. Okay, I just need to add edit mode or something like that to this, and that's gonna work fine. These past weeks had been a shit show for Arch. Yep. Oh, I have an idea. I can do something like, oh wait, it's not, come on. I can add another functionality, something like press the button and turn the knob or something like that. Yeah. Let me do that actually. That would be another control knob though. I think I'm gonna make the thing yellow. Yellow. All right, and then update control value. Control value 1. I'm gonna add another one. What is OTA firmware updater? Over the air. Oh yeah, that would be nice, but I don't have time for that right now. Maybe in the future. Maybe if you can send me an issue, that would be great. Also I think it was you, we talked about something else and you were going to create an issue, but I don't remember what that was actually. That was a joke. I don't know. It sounded like a joke. Okay, cool. Dude, how am I supposed to like? How am I? If I long press and turn the knob, then that will be just a long button press. How can I differentiate between that and the other one? Maybe something like something like this. No. Oh, I can just do like 2 buttons at the same time. I wonder how efficient that would be. If last one is a key press and the current one is a rotation. Okay, I got you. Something like I really don't like the naming for these things. Maybe do an alt. Okay, there you go, and something like control value alt updated. There you go. Toggle current. Based on control value alt. From index, that function does not exist though. So value 1.
Drug open awareness to messages from the autonomous nervous system. As the phenomenon gains in richness, colors stream and mingle at the edges of things, and colored objects stand revealed in all their characteristic drug state vividness. Hallucinogenic adds dimensionality to one's understanding. Hallucinogenic gives a glimpse into the mind, into the very soul of man, and gives you a universal knowing. A person in the psychedelic state can perceive much more in other human beings than he can perceive in his everyday mind.
Toggle current node. Alright, let's try it. I'm not sure if it will work, but it's worth trying, I guess. Oh, come on, man, just connect to it. Finally. Okay. It is kind of working. Wait. So now if I press, did you have the other board from yesterday around?
During the psychedelic experience,
Yeah.
the heavy shackles of the mind are
Yeah, it's very slow,
consciousness
but that's normal, I guess.
in any direction. The nervous
Um,
system returns to that state of flux, chaos.
did I change something?
Psychedelic
App.
experiences are truly a royal road to the unconscious. This experience is not the result of a psychosis brought on by the drug, but a glimpse into a world beyond ordinary reality. As the phenomenon gains in richness, colors stream and mingle at the edges of things, and colored objects
Okay, let me actually test this one second.
drug state vividness.
Kind of works. No, not really. Just gonna take all this back. the same error. I'm just gonna try pressing both of them at the same time. There's no next function. Semitone index. Create a new event. All right. Let's see if pressing at the same time works. Alright. Nope. Kinda works, but it's too fast. I think I want to add a delay. How do I do that again? Delay. Oh man, how do I delay? Okay, let's try again. What the hell? It just crashed. Just crashes, bro. Do I need to use this delay thing? How do I delay? I'm so tired now. But how do I delay? I just want to delay. Why is it not working? Okay, ETS delay. Let's use ETS delay then. I used to have a delay actually. At some point I removed it, but I don't remember. Maybe I have it here. Main RS. Yeah, it's basically ETS delay.
Running up chips and wait, trusting no bitch that way. on the grind, got steel on my waistline. We know about creeps. Silent one with the loudest camming. Upstood that adrenaline. Got the cats come quicker when I bring that medicine. All you hear is Nino. Coulda run back to the dead bit quicker. Shit then, so you got dumb a sinner. Ski off my ex, come my cunt things thicker. Code name Rex, get to the checks. Gang one party with the girls next door. Giving you stress, but she bustin' roll heads. Smack down cocaine, going up raw. Wanna have kids? No way. Running up chips, anyway. Trusting no bitch, that way. G's been the waves, that way. For the clientele, no show and tell. Straight show or buy that. Go ends, link mains to the Binance. Anything finance, no man's there. Haters hate and the back one stare. Hey yo, Jokey, I ain't your pagan. Oh swear, your man's from there. No you need support, come hold this railing. 3-1 get rags that, smash that. Mark up way, take our match time. No behavior, you ain't a dick son. Caps on the way.
Okay, I think I found a solution. This kind of works, but I still get like the long press thing, so I'm gonna adjust something here. Okay. I think I'm gonna just use name for the UI thing.
You know the type of house music that goes like BaM. You know what I'm talking about? That's the kind of shit I'm here right now. That's that shit I need.
Okay. Now we're getting like an interesting bug.
Okay, everything seems to work fine. Let me commit my changes. Another thing that I want to change here is that in the fret note, ghost note symbol is, this doesn't show. The ghost note symbol does not show up on my embedded screen. Can you suggest me something else? Shows as something more visible. Big square. I think this square is nice. I wonder if I can do a search and replace operation with Unicode. Oh, I can. Cool. So I'm just gonna change these. What? $142. Not sure if I like the squares, to be honest. I think I'm gonna try this one. Yeah, I don't like this one as well. How about I just go with like that? Yeah, ASCII only. Or I don't know, like this library of Mousewood supports only a specific range of fonts, I guess. I don't like this one as well. I think I was just fine with the question marks. I just realized something. Oh, I just realized an important bug. So, yeah, I'm just gonna keep it as is. Set scale notes. I was not setting the scale notes. Dude, just flash it in 40, come on. Alright, I think I'm done with these changes. Let me test it out properly. Alright, push to the repo. How many lines did I change? 300. But I'm pretty happy with the result. I'll try to show it to you. I am frozen here, okay. Maybe I can just use my... I'm trying my best, okay? Big brain. Yeah. If I can focus, that will be even better. But anyways, okay, let's do blues scale. I'll just like look at the thing and just hit the notes, okay? What the hell is this cable? So many cables. I am so confused right now. Fucking hell. Okay, I got it sorted out somehow. I'll just do blues. Oh shit. I don't know nothing about the blues scale. I'm just learning it right now. Oh wait, the ghost notes disappear. God damn it, why do they disappear now? I thought that I set them to not disappear. What happened? Remove ghost true. Oh shit. No, it's just setting to false. It is a ghost. Yeah, I mean, of course, right?
Signals from the great organ and tissue centers within the body, and it suspends selective processes in the nervous system, so as to render our sensory apparatus more open to impressions than usual. During the psychedelic experience, the heavy shackles of the mind are loosened, consciousness free to move in any direction.
Yeah, I don't know.
Returns
Anyways.
to a state of flux, chaos. Psychedelic experiences are truly a royal road to the unconscious. This experience is not the result of a psychosis brought on by the drug, but a glimpse into a world beyond ordinary reality. As the phenomenon gains in richness, colors stream and mingle at the edges of things, and colored objects stand revealed in all their characteristic drug state vividness. Hallucinogenic adds dimensionality to one's understanding. Hallucinogenic gives a
They just disappear. So I don't know. I have to fix that first. Mixolydian. Try this one. Something like that. Lydian. Okay, the problem is I don't see the currently played note. There seems to be some bugs. Yeah, I'll just play with the random.
During the psychedelic experience, any shackles of the mind are loosened. Consciousness frees to go off in any direction. The nervous system returns to that state of flux, chaos. Psychedelic experiences are truly a royal road to the unconscious.
I think my condition is
This
just
experience
wrong.
is not the result of a psychosis brought on by the drug, but a glimpse into
Wait.
ordinary reality.
My remove ghost thing is just wrong, I think. Set active note. Yeah. Yeah, just gonna do it here. No, it's fixed. Okay. Let me try again. Okay, blues scale. Okay, now it seems like it's working. So something like this. I hope you guys are hearing this. So we go to the 5th fret. I think that was easier. I think it worked. So I'm just looking at the screen and just trying to play whatever I see here. So something like yeah, I think it's blues. Quite fun actually. Let me go to 12th fret. Actually, it's yeah, 10. The gain is too high on this amp. Okay, changing the scale, guys. I don't know, maybe major, natural minor, minor pentatonic. Let me change the note as well. Let me change it to C. think the blues one was pretty fun. Let me go back to that. So 3. All right. Yeah, it works. Now I just need to add the song mode, like, you know, just loading up some songs into this, and it will show you like the notes, and you just play them, and then okay, let me actually create some issues hidden now. I gotta do that. So this tracking mode, add song mode, let's change that. And another thing, improve gamification, show points. Okay, I want to show points, and if you play the correct notes, it will just give you points and so on. What else actually? Let me think. I'm thinking what else we can do here. I guess that's it. Do you think the device can handle a metronome for song mode? Do you mean as like a audio output, like an actual metronome sound? That's not possible, but if you're talking about just the timing, maybe it could handle it. It renders at like 8 FPS, by the way. 7, let's say 7 FPS. I have a FPS counter now, so 7 FPS means, I mean, yeah, that's, maybe I could make it faster by tweaking some arguments in the FFT function, because that's the place that is taking majority of the time. You should also set a goal for yourself to learn a song with this. Yeah, that's something that I will do after I add the song mode, maybe tomorrow I'll do that tomorrow or the day after that. I will do that. Find a song, try to practice that song. So those two things I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna just work on my presentation. Tomorrow I'll just work on my presentation. So yeah. All right. Maybe tomorrow I'll just work on a song as well. So yeah. I need to also get this cable soldered again because it's not great. I'm using the jumper cables, so they are not the best type of cables to use for the signal stuff. Thanks for the issue, by the way. It's a good hook for a presentation too. Yeah. Maybe I should do something like I go to the stage and in the beginning of the talk I just play something and then I say something like, hey, I learned all of this with this tool and so on. But I don't think I'll have the time for that, to be honest. Well, let's see. Alright, I'm gonna just go now. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Namco, thanks for hanging around. This was fun, and you have like 30 hours in flight. Yeah, you're right. But still, you know, I want to be prepared. So I'll see you in the next one, probably tomorrow. Join Discord or whatever. Alright. Take care. Good night or good day based on your time zone, alright? I'm out. I like PHP a lot, man. Not gonna lie.